Hey everyone, welcome to the Code to Wealth, the channel where we show you the codes to unlock your financial freedom. If you want to learn how to earn more, invest better, and build a solid financial future, you already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button because it helps us keep bringing valuable content to you. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever heard that only those who invent something revolutionary make money? That you need a genius idea, create an app, or invest heavily to build $1 million business? Well, today I'm going to prove to you that this is not true. There are businesses considered boring, businesses that no one wants to do, but they can make you $1 million or more. And the best part? Without needing a huge investment. So, stay with me until the end because I guarantee the last business on this list will surprise you. Now, let's get straight to the point and dive into 20 boring, but extremely profitable businesses. Many people believe that money is only in big ideas, but the truth is, money is where there is demand, and businesses that seem too simple are ignored by almost everyone, which creates huge opportunities for those who see what others don't. Want an example? Who would have thought that cleaning water tanks could generate a fortune? Well, that's exactly where we're going to start our list. Money bag water tank cleaning. It may not seem like it, but this is a market with little competition and recurring demand. Houses, buildings, and businesses need this service at least twice a year, many times. There is no professional service available, and customers are willing to pay high prices to ensure the safety of the water they consume. With a low investment in equipment and marketing, you can dominate this niche and earn tens of thousands of dollars per month. Money bag debris removal. After renovation or construction, who does the cleanup? Few people want to get involved with this, but property owners desperately need this service. A small company with trucks for debris removal can easily secure fixed contracts with construction companies and architects, ensuring a predictable income and high profits. Money bag roof repair. Leaks, water infiltration, and broken roofs are common problems, and believe it or not, people pay a lot to get them fixed quickly. The interesting thing about this niche is that competition is low because most people avoid working at heights. This means that if you offer a reliable service, you can charge premium prices and still get recurring customers. Money bag portable toilet rentals. Events, fairs, outdoor parties, construction sites. They all need portable toilets. The secret here is that after the initial investment in equipment, you can rent out the units multiple times, generating constant revenue without major interventions. It's a discreet business, but extremely profitable. Money bag upholstery and carpet cleaning. How many people regularly clean their sofas and carpets? Most don't even think about it until someone offers them the service. The best part is that this is a high-ticket business, as customers prefer to pay well for specialized cleaning rather than risk damaging their furniture. Money bag residential and commercial drain cleaning. This might be the most boring business on the list, but it's also one of the most profitable. When a pipe gets clogged, people need it fixed immediately. That's why drain cleaning companies can charge high rates for their services. And since plumbing issues are unexpected emergencies, customers pay whatever it takes to fix the problem quickly. Money bag selling fertile soil for gardens. Yes, selling dirt can make you a millionaire. Many condominiums and houses with gardens need fertile, enriched soil, but finding suppliers can be difficult. If you can provide the right product with efficient delivery, you can become the go-to supplier in your area and secure fixed contracts with landscapers and businesses. Money bag content creation for small local businesses. Many small businesses don't know how to position themselves on social media, and that's where you come in. Creating videos, posts, and ads for local businesses may seem small, but clients pay very well for professional work. And the best part? With automation tools, you can scale this business quickly. Money bag home security system installation. With increasing concerns about safety, installing cameras, alarms, and electric fences has become one of the most in-demand services. You can offer installation packages and ongoing maintenance to ensure a stable monthly income. Money Bag Personal Organizer, home and office organization. Many people don't have the time to organize their spaces, and a personal organizer can charge up to $300 per hour to transform messy environments into functional spaces. A highly valued service, especially in big cities. Money Bag Furniture Assembly and Maintenance. Buying furniture online has become the norm, but assembling it is another story. Not everyone wants to spend hours figuring out complicated instruction manuals. A professional furniture assembly service can generate thousands of dollars per month just by handling local orders. Money Bag Air Conditioning Cleaning and Maintenance. Dirty air conditioners increase energy costs and cause health problems. That's why this service is always in demand, especially in warmer regions. The best part? It's an easily scalable business. Money Bag Event Equipment Rentals. Tables, chairs, tents, lighting, sound systems. Events always need these items. With an initial investment in quality equipment, you can create a steady cash flow by renting out these materials for parties and events. Money Bag Pool Maintenance. Pools require constant maintenance, and many owners lack the time or knowledge to handle it themselves. This is a highly profitable market because pool owners pay recurring fees to keep their water clean and treated. Over time, you can expand into selling pool chemicals and accessories, increasing revenue even further. Money Bag with pallet resale and recycling. Logistics companies, factories, and even stores need pallets for storage and transportation. Most people don't realize it, but there's $1 million market in buying, refurbishing, and reselling these items. With a small initial investment and a good network of suppliers and buyers, you can build a highly profitable business. Money Bag Building Facade Cleaning and Restoration. Over time, buildings accumulate dirt, mold, and pollution, making them look neglected. This service is highly valued, especially in commercial areas where a business's image impacts its customers. Companies charge high fees for periodic cleanings, making this a predictable and scalable business. Money Bag Cost Reduction Consulting for Businesses. Many companies waste money without realizing it, whether through unnecessary supplier expenses, high energy bills, or inefficient processes. If you have strong financial or process optimization skills, you can offer consulting services to help businesses save thousands of dollars and charge a percentage of those savings. A business that requires knowledge but has huge profit potential. Money Bag Training for Rideshare Drivers. Uber, Lyft, and other rideshare drivers need to optimize their time and maximize earnings. Creating a training program to help drivers choose the best hours, routes, and customer service strategies can generate recurring income. This can be scaled online as courses or coaching, making it a highly profitable business. Now that you've seen 20 boring businesses that can make you a millionaire, the question is, which one caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this content, you already know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. Here at The Code to Wealth, we are always bringing powerful insights to help you build your financial freedom. See you in the next video. Rock it!